Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cupcakes topped with fondant flowers. If you would like to follow along to this recipe, you can print the recipe sheet in my description box. To make the chocolate chips cupcakes, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of white sugar, 1 cup of milk, 175 grams of chocolate chips, 2 large eggs, and 6 tablespoons of oil. I use sunflower oil, but you could also use canola oil. The first step is to mix all the liquid ingredients. The second step is to mix all the dry ingredients. Once you've done those 2 steps, make a hole in the center of your dry ingredients so you can pour your liquid ingredients in there. If you feel like your dough is liquidy, you might want to add some flour, just like I did. The consistency shouldn't be too liquidy, but you still have to be able to pour it in your mold. When you are ready to pour the dough in the mold, preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so when you finish putting it, your oven will be ready for you to bake the cupcakes. While the cupcakes are in the oven, you can start doing the icing. You will need powdered sugar, cream cheese, and food coloring, which is optional. I don't have any exact quantities because I did the icing just by putting as much cream cheese as I wanted. Start by mixing the cream cheese and the powdered sugar. When you feel like it's sugary enough, you can color your icing by adding the food coloring. To make the fondant, add in a bowl as many marshmallows as you would like. Then add a little bit of water. It will help the marshmallows to melt. Microwave the marshmallows until they are completely melted. Then add as much powdered sugar as you need to turn the melted marshmallows into a dough. When your fondant has a dough consistency, use a rolling pin to spread it. If it sticks to your rolling pin, add a little bit of cornstarch, but not too much, because you don't want to taste it and to cover the fondant's sweet taste. When your dough is thin enough, you can play with it to give it a special shape. Color it if you want. I made some flowers with a leaf for each of them, as you can see. I used a cookie cutter to give it the shape of the flower, but you can create whatever you want. To stick the different parts together, you just have to put some water. When everything is ready, you just have to decorate your little cake however you like. I hope you liked the video and you had fun creating your own design. Bye!